If you haven't been living under a rock, you know that Midjourney added the zoom out function. With it, you can zoom out the pics you've been creating, adding extra context to the picture. In this video, we will see how to create videos from those zoom out pictures using Python. Here's what I've been able to achieve using the code that you are going to see soon. Now that you saw the end result, let's see how we can do this. You first need to fork the project called Zoom Video Composer. Zoom Video Composer is a Python project that enables you to combine zoomed out pictures generated by Midjourney in a perfectly crafted video. Once you fork the project, you can use it by following this command. The first argument is the folder containing the pictures. Make sure to name them in an ascending order, in order to be captured by the script correctly. The output is the resulting file, which should be in MP4 format. Zoom is the zoom parameter you used in Midjourney. Duration is how long the video should last. If it's too long, you will notice that the resulting video will be a bit staggered. Height and width give the resolution of the video, while the direction is what the video will do. In our case, the zoom direction is out, but you can use other params as well, like in, out, in out. You can even use the following code to create a Jupyter notebook to read the video, decode it, and then display it in a video HTML frame. That's about it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.